Hey guys, Pepe here from Bunny Plays. I was just outside recording why Mangle existed and what's the purpose of Mangle with Indy, but the upload got pending, so yeah. Right now I'm gonna be showing you how to make a paper fortune teller, a paper airplane, and a paper boat. So we're gonna start with my favorite, the paper boat. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the weird version, so, yeah. If you didn't know, you could learn something new. So first of all, we're going to start off by making a normal boat. Fold your piece of paper in half. I'm using line paper. Fold it in half. You don't have to valley fold it or anything. Now, here's the tips. Fold them over. Well, first of all, fold it in a small piece of paper and then unfold it. So now you know where to make it fold your triangles like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Good, so now you probably have a triangle shape with some straight things here. Fold them over. Like this, and fold the other side the other way. You could pause the video and just do it. Okay, so once you've got that done, you're gonna turn it upside down. And this is the trickiest part. One of the trickiest parts. And make it into a small square with extra paper bits here. You can pause the video and do it. Okay. Next, we're going to there's a side where the tip and the side where it's just flaps. So you're going to want to fold each flap up and make it a triangle. So you can pause the video. I'm going to stop saying that because it's kind of annoying. Triangle. Next. Make it like this. And make the edges straight. Make them lined up. I'm just using scrap paper, so it's not perfect. So here's your boat. Or if you want to make it better, check out I'm gonna make a video about how to make better paper boats and paper airplanes. So here's your boat. You can decorate it, do whatever you want with it. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So I'm going to be making the tipped version. It's harder to make. So the tipped version is a smaller one. The normal one is the long one. I'm going to be showing you how to make the small one, aka the tipped one. So fold it in half. Okay. And then fold triangles like you did on the boat. Except you don't need to. Except you need to open the paper first. Make sure you're not doing it while it's folded. Otherwise, you're going to screw up. Make 2 triangles like this. I'm making this video quick because I will be going outside soon. So your triangles are like this. Now fold them this way. and fold these flaps up. They're not really flaps, but if you want, I'm doing a speedy version. If you want to go further in detail, check out Indy's video. Well, put a link to it in the description, and maybe put a video in the description. Kind of unusual, but yeah. Okay, I'm really bad at doing this. And then you make it like this. So basically fold it in half so both sides are equal. This, we're getting close. Two more steps. Fold this like this so it looks like a proper wing. And do the same on the other side. And you're just gonna wanna blow it here. I don't know why, you just got. So yeah, here's what it could look like. Again, you could pause the video. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a fortune teller. So bend your paper like this. Make a triangle shape, and the extra bit, you could cut it off, but I'm gonna rip it off. If you want to rip it off, here's how. Turn it the other way. And turn it this way, turn it the other way. And just keep on doing it until there's a line of line showing. A weird line showing. And press hard. Okay. So rip the extra bit off. Again, it's not perfect. You can use scissors to make it a little bit more perfect. But I'm making this video quick, so I'm not using scissors. I'm not taking the time to find scissors. So unfold it. And you're gonna fold in all four edges, all four corners, I mean. Jesus, I'm getting mixed up with geometry. Geometry dash. Okay. Okay. Fold in all the other corners. You can go ahead and make them perfect, but I'm kind of in a rush. I don't know why. And do all, and flip it over and do all four sides. You can pause the video. Jeez, I need to stop saying that. It's kind of getting annoying. So, almost 10 minutes. I recorded for almost 10 minutes. Okay, so next, fold it in half, open it, fold it in half, fold it in half the other way. And this is the trickiest part. Put your fingers under the flaps, like this. So, push your chin there. And there's your fortune teller. So, yeah. So, please smash a like. Almost 11 minutes of recording. Please smash that like button. Check out my other channel, and bye!